of the businesses that you see and admire today, not all of them started with millions. Some started with 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, as the case may be. And today they have scaled it to millions. If they could do it, you too can do it. If there is any pattern I have seen with God, is that when somebody takes a leap of faith, he has a way of honoring that person's effort. But if they stay in one place waiting for manna to fall, you see that person will be counting years, months with no progress. And the number 4 idea I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is very easy to scale up because you're going to be working with extra hands. Some parents will tell you that they cannot remember the last time that they bought a clothing item for themselves. But you see baby clothes, leave it, because there is just something so beautiful and cute about baby's clothes that even if you did not budget it before leaving the house, but when you just see how beautiful they look, as a parent you just want to buy it, because sometimes it is actually the guilt of, will I find this thing next time? Even though you want to procrastinate, which is like the right thing to do because you did not plan it, but you start asking yourself, what if I don't see this thing next time? Okay, let me just buy it. That is how a lot of parents have clothes for their kids. They did not plan it initially, but once they see it, the beauty that comes with baby clothes, especially the one for girls, you just want to buy it. You can actually start the sale of baby clothes with 100,000 naira. You can take very cute pictures of it and put it on your status, put it across your social media platforms, and if you have a place, a physical location to even display it, it even makes it better. That way people are coming in contact with it from time to time, and you are going to be selling out fast. Baby clothing is one thing I can assure you that with 100,000 naira, you can pick up some pieces and start selling. Talking about clothing item, thrift business is another beautiful one that you can start with 100,000. And how you're going to make it very successful is that you're not going to focus on everything, because with 100,000 naira, you probably are not going to be able to buy a bill. You want to pick very beautiful pieces. If you're going to be focusing on jackets, let us just know that corporate girlies can come to you to buy jackets. If you're going to be selling jeans, let people just know that, okay, they can actually get these things from you. If you're going to be selling shirts, if it is going to be underwear, a lot of women love to buy thrift brands because they feel they are stronger and even more affordable. So whatever you want to just focus in, make sure you pick a niche, and with 100,000 naira, you can successfully start out selling thrift items. Frozen food is another business you can start with 100,000 naira. When I finished my secondary school, I actually sold in a cold room, and it made me realize that there are people who actually buy fishes, they go out to sell, and even when they don't finish selling it, they return it to the cold room, and then we keep it for them till the next day. So if you have good lighting in your area and you have a freezer, that works. But if you don't have good lighting or you don't have fridge, you want to meet a cold room and ask them if they accept that, so that you can actually take whether frozen chicken, fishes, and you go out there, you sell, and even if you don't finish selling for that day, you can actually return to the cold room, they'll package, put your name on it, and then the next day you can continue selling. With 100,000 naira, you can actually start out that business, and I promise you it is very profitable. Very close to frozen food, you want to consider the sale of cold drinks and water. My God, especially in this hot weather, people are usually dehydrated, and if you're selling cold water, cold drinks, they are going to be rushing you. This is one business that I know that even when people open stores and they are selling hairs, they are selling other things that are not even related, they still have a way of incorporating it. Just because they are fast selling goods, there is no day you're not going to sell water, there is no day you're not going to sell cold drinks. So with 100,000 naira, you can actually start selling cold drinks and cold pure water. This 4th idea that I have up on my sleeve is the one that I told you that you can actually scale up very fast, and that is the cleaning service. See, when people are looking for cleaners, right, if they already know somebody who is doing the job, that is the first person that they go and meet and tell, oh, I am looking for a cleaner. If you have someone who can equally do the job, let me know. What people don't realize is that that is actually a business opportunity. If you're somebody that they are always coming to for one thing, it means that there is a possibility, there is a demand, there is actually a possibility of you turning that constant questions to a business. With 100,000 naira, you can go into cleaning services, and while you are at it, you want to look out to scaling up very fast by actually becoming an agent. And what this means is that when people need jobs, they come to you and say, if you know anybody who needs a cleaner, I'm available. And then if there is someone who equally needs a cleaner, they come to you and say, do you have anybody that can actually do this for me? You as the middleman, you are getting your cut. You are not necessarily doing the job of going to clean, but you are getting paid for being the middleman. And this is one of the things that is making people money right now. And as God blesses and increases you, you can even be getting contracts for corporate organizations, companies. These are ways that people elevate their status, not just by the one that they do, but being in positions that make things easier for others. And that is how wealth is created. With 100,000 naira, you can actually make flyers and banners that will let people know this is something that you do and get some of your cleaning equipment. If you live very close to the gym or an area that has corporate organizations, you will notice that people go very early to work and then people go to gym. These people, they appreciate healthy drinks, healthy smoothies, juices, and if you can provide this for them, you are already in business. When you're coming, you don't want to look tacky and shabby. You want to look presentable. You want to look clean, right? When you bring it to them and they look at you and they see that you're looking clean, they are likely going to be buying from you. And when the taste is good, you are already in business. 100,000 naira can comfortably start this for you. So you want to look around your area and see, okay, is this something that I can actually do? And if you can, please don't sleep on this business. I'm talking about looking at our area to know if this is something that works. I want to talk about daycare. Parents go to work very early and they are looking for people to trust their children with. And if you're someone who has the patience and the space, someone you can just keep them till their parents are back, very beautiful. With 100,000 naira, you can actually buy mats, very beautiful colors, because children like to see paintings and the colors that you can put around, the environment, just so they are engaged before their parents actually come back. If you have the patience for this, because I am a mom and I can tell you it is not easy being with children, but if you're someone who loves children and then you have the patience for this is something you want to look into, and it's actually very scalable, because the more children you begin to have, then you'll be needing extra hands as well, and so you cannot employ more people to join you. But you want to start this alone and let parents know around you this is something that you can actually offer to them. When you see something trending, it also means that there is money in it. Hats, fascinators, headbands, crunchies, these are things that are actually very trendy. From time to time, these things are always there. The only thing I actually see is that they keep evolving in style. These are things that you can actually sell and you're going to be making cool money from it. With 100,000 naira, you can actually start making fascinators. And if you don't have an idea on how to make fascinators, YouTube is your best platform to learn this for free. Watch videos here on YouTube to know how to make fascinators, and then headbands, crunchies. These things you can do with your hands, and they are going to be making you cool cash every now and then. So yeah, with 100,000 naira, this is one business that you can actually do, especially if you are living in a student environment. You are living in an environment that has very young people. These are people that easily gravitate towards these things. And very close to that is the sale of fashion jewelry. People will always love to adorn themselves, and it doesn't have to be with gold and diamonds. With 100,000 naira, go to wholesalers and pick very beautiful, eye-catching fashion jewelry that you can put on your status, that you can display for people to see, and you're going to be selling out fast. People don't get tired of wearing fashion jewelry. The more they have, the more they want to get. When it comes to fashionable things, people don't always feel like they have enough. So with 100,000 naira, this is one beautiful business. The sale of jewelry is something that you can actually start. I hope you actually found value in this video. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel. I remain Philomena, your personal finance bestie, helping you build wealth one smart money move at a time. And on this channel, like you already know, I bring you business ideas, investment tips, productivity videos. So smash that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone. Thank you so much. And check out this video where I talked about businesses that you can start with 50,000 naira. So you're going to be finding more ideas right in the video.